right, welcome everyone, and thanks for joining us for our session today, Grow Your Brand with Amazon. My name is Corey, and I'm part of the Seller University team. Our presenters today are Cynthia and Hillary, who work directly with sellers like yourselves on a daily basis, and they'll be spending, my guess is, the next 15 to 20 minutes presenting, and then we'll leave the remainder of our time today for this live Q&A. So considering our topic, we'd love for you to walk away with an understanding of the enrollment process for brand registry and how to assign different roles within your account, have a general understanding of A+ content and how to implement it, as well as best practices for building your brand on Amazon. For Q&A, again, like I mentioned, please feel free to just sort of add your questions throughout our time today, and then we'll surface those after the presentation for some discussion and added context to ensure we get as many of your questions answered as possible. So with that, Cynthia, I will go ahead and turn it over to you to kick off our presentation.
Thank you so much, Corey. Hi, everyone. I'm Cynthia, and to get started with our discussion today, let's talk about Amazon Brand Registry and some enrollment best practices. We recommend signing up for a seller account first, and then using those same login credentials to enroll in Amazon Brand Registry. Using the same credentials will link your Seller Central and Amazon Brand Registry accounts and prevent issues down the line. Next, when enrolling in Amazon Brand Registry, triple check that the brand name you've entered exactly matches the brand name on your trademark or IP documentation. This includes capitalization, so if it's all capitalized, please have all caps, and then punctuation as well. And then finally, while authorized users can be added to your Amazon Brand Registry account, the initial enrollment must be completed by the brand or trademark owner. All right, so now we're going to talk about the different roles that you have when you register your brand. We often hear that businesses want their staff to help manage their brand in the Amazon store. So let's talk about how to set up these accounts. There are 3 roles that can be assigned within Amazon Brand Registry: rights owner, register agent, and administrator. When you successfully enroll in Amazon Brand Registry, you're automatically given the roles of rights owner and administrator. And then for the rights owner, it's either the person who owns the trademark or that person's employee. This role has access to listing benefits and is authorized to report violations of brand intellectual property or IP using brand protection tools. Then we have a register agent as a third party who's authorized by the rights owner to report violations of brand IP. And then lastly, we have the administrator role, and it's given as an individual permissions to assign roles to user accounts. Note that the administrator is the only role that can assign roles to other users. This includes adding new users and removing existing users. The person who submitted the approved brand application is automatically assigned administrator role. Each employee you'd like to have access must create an Amazon Brand Registry user account and accept Amazon Brand Registry terms before a role can be assigned. If an employee has an existing Amazon seller or vendor account, they can create their Amazon Brand Registry user account using the same credentials. Another commonly asked question that we do get is, what if I already have a trademark, but if it's in another country and not in the United States, can I still enroll? The answer is yes. You can enroll in Amazon Brand Registry using a trademark registered in any accepted country. And if you go to brandservices.amazon.com, you'll see the list there. You'll receive access to all Amazon Brand Registry programs and features, even if you sell in a region different from where the trademark was filed. But keep in mind, you'll only receive IP protection in the region or regions where your trademark is filed. And then another common question that we receive is about how brand owners can remove listings for their products from other sellers or control the price other sellers set for their products. While enrolling in Amazon Brand Registry gives you more control over your branded listings, it does not allow you to limit your products from being sold by other Amazon sellers or control the pricing of your products. This lets the Amazon store continue to provide the most competitive prices for our global customers. However, if you find another seller that has listed a counterfeit or inauthentic version of your product, you can absolutely report these violations to Amazon to have them removed. As a registered brand owner in the Amazon store, you have access to the Report a Violation tool, also known as RAV tool. You can use this to submit suspected violations of your IP, and we'll go over further in this presentation the details where you can find that in your Seller Central account. And now I just want to mention sponsor products. With sponsor brand ads appears in search results to help you boost your overall brand awareness and engagement. So by using sponsor brands, you can showcase a collection of your products along with your logo and a customizable headline. These headlines also link to your brand store. And I'm going to hand it over to Hillary to talk more about A+ content.
Thanks, Cynthia. Hey, everybody, it's Hillary. So brand registered sellers have options for influencing the display of their products as well as helping drive conversion. So let's start with A+ content. A+ content allows you to describe your products in greater detail using a brand story, text placements, and enhanced images. You can use these elements to proactively answer common customer questions, fully explain product benefits, and elaborate on what makes your brand special. A+ content also gives you more control and influence over the content on detail pages for your brand's products. Even if you didn't create the product detail page, your updates and edits will be prioritized as the registered brand's owner. Use A+ content to augment product detail pages with enhanced product descriptions. This can include custom paragraph headers and images, unique image and text layouts, product comparison charts, and bulleted features lists. A+ content can also include brand content. With brand content, you can add carousel displays with full screen background images to your product detail page. Brand content can also include image and text cards as well as links to other products from the brand. Brand content appears in a From the Brand section on the product detail page. Brand owners in the Amazon store can use these features together to create branded experiences for their product detail pages. This can help promote brand awareness while also driving sales with unique messaging. Let's talk a bit more about building a brand in the Amazon store. You can promote your brand and products with your own multi-page store. Stores are free to use, easy to create, and available to all registered brands and brand owners. You can create pages for your products and categories using pre-designed templates or drag and drop tiles. You can also add videos, text, and images to tell your brand story and show your products in action. Make sure to submit your store for review. It will be reviewed within 72 hours, and once approved, will go live immediately. If your pages aren't approved, you'll be notified about what needs to be changed or updated. Virtual bundles are a special type of ASIN that can allow customers to view and purchase multiple complementary products from a single product detail page. To be eligible for virtual bundles, you must be enrolled in Amazon Brand Registry, and the products included in the bundle must be listed with Fulfilled by Amazon or FBA. Virtual bundles also give your branding more prominent placement within the product detail page, increasing your overall brand visibility in the Amazon store. When creating a virtual bundle, you can choose 2 to 5 independent products to combine. You can then create the title, bullet points, and description that'll be included on the product detail page. You'll then create a new main image for your bundle. These images typically include all bundled products in one photo. And finally, you'll set your bundle's price. The price of a virtual bundle must be equal to or less than the total combined purchase price of all individual ASINs included in the bundle. You can find virtual bundles under the Brands tab in Seller Central. Okay, brand protections. So enrolling in Amazon Brand Registry also gives you access to tools and programs for protecting your brand, like Project Zero. Project Zero gives your brand automated protection by continuously scanning Amazon stores and proactively removing suspected counterfeits. You can also protect your brand against counterfeits with the Transparency program. When you enroll your products in Transparency, you can then apply transparency codes to your products. These codes are used to ensure only authentic units are shipped, and customers can verify their purchases using the Transparency app. If you find a violation of your IP, you can report it using the RAV tool. So the RAV tool, Report a Violation, allows you to notify Amazon about concerns regarding the misuse of your IP. Violations reported with the RAV tool must be submitted by the administrator or rights owner. You can use the tool to search through Amazon's catalog to identify ASINs, offers, or images you believe infringe on your IP. The RAV tool also includes reporting features which you can use to notify Amazon of these violations. You can find the RAV tool by selecting Account Health under the Performance tab in Seller Central. Above the Customer Service Performance section, you'll find a Report Abuse link. After clicking this link, you'll be brought to the Report Abuse page. And on the Report Abuse page, select Intellectual Property and then Report a Violation to find the RAV tool. Along with brand IP protections, brand registered sellers have additional options for analytics with Brand Analytics. Brand Analytics can help you make informed, strategic decisions about your product portfolio and marketing strategies. Use the Brand Analytics dashboard to access reports that can help you make strategic decisions for your business. The Demographics report provides a breakdown of your Amazon customers by age, marital status, and other demographic data points to help you better understand your shoppers. You can use the Item Comparison report to find products that shoppers frequently viewed in the same day as your products. This report can help you identify directly competing products and how you can improve your own listings. You can learn about the products most commonly bought as alternatives to yours with the Alternate Purchase report. To identify complementary products that customers often buy alongside your products, use the Market Basket report. This can help you quickly identify bundling and cross-marketing opportunities. Seeing what shoppers buy from other brands alongside your products can be especially helpful when you're looking for new product opportunities. Use the Market Basket report when looking to identify new products for your brand. And finally, the Repeat Purchase Behavior report can help you assess your marketing campaigns and strategize to drive repeat purchases. You can find each of these reports in the Brand Analytics dashboard. Using the power of Brand Analytics can help you make strategic decisions for your brand in the Amazon store. Understanding your audience and how they shop with Amazon can help you refine your listings and how you promote your products.
Thanks, everybody, and have a great Friday.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.